Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your post from your Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. So let's open up the Facebook app. Here my profile is open. Let's tap on these three dots. Now you can see activity log, and here you can see your activity across Facebook. Tap on manage posts. Tap on manage posts. Tap on filters. Now tap on categories. Your post, check-ins and photos. Let's select your post, check-ins, photos and videos. Now this is all I have posted to my profile. All I can do to delete this is tap on these three dots and just move to trash. Unfortunately, there is no way to delete all of them at once. So this is the only way you have to delete your photos. So guys, this is how you can delete your post from your Facebook. Guys, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks guys.